Hello guys, so I came across this on Amazon. Let's make them, shall we? Though this is a fairy light. Next we have some flowers, white roses. This light is a little defective. Only alternate bulbs light up, which is perfect for what we need. So let me show you the process. So we'll double this wire like that, insert the bulb inside the flower, and then take the wire out from the gap between the petals to make wire as hidden as possible. As you can see, I'm taking it out. This is a little tedious process. Once it's out, I'm using the stem of the flower to wrap around the wire so it can hold better. Just twist it like that and voila, it's all wrapped. And next I will create a loop with the stem so that it can stay at one place like this. Let's just fast forward it because it took me like about half an hour to complete all this, and damn, it was tedious. I was thinking why I even started in the first place. Okay, leave it that. I have these flowers at my home. You can use any other flower if you want, and you can use any other color fairy light also. I like warm white, and I have this perfect light available, which was nice. Okay, finally we're just about to complete last flower. Yay! Insert it. I'm showing it one more time so you can visualize it again. It's fairly easy, nothing wrong with science, and you just need two simple ingredients: a fairy light and roses. That's it. Twist it, twist it, twist it, make a loop, and done. Oh my god guys, I got cheated. I found two other flowers and now I have to do them again. Okay, let's do them quickly. It's like when you are at the end and these things start popping up and it's not completing. This is so irritating. Finally it got completed. I'm so happy. Now let's get some aesthetic shots of the flowers. See, this is how they look in the dim light. I cannot turn off the lights because then the camera quality just diminishes. And I tried placing this flower garland different ways, and this is the end result. Now I'm fairly confused like how to put them, because I've tried various methods. Can you just help me? Which one is better? Comment down below. Thanks for the help. Bye bye. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.